shiver with crying. We have to go with a bag because for us, people don't die. This is just a transition. He has made his impact here. So we Nigerians have come to mourn with our sister. Our sister is mourning her husband. So back home, this is how we'll even do it, with music and drumming and dancing and this boisterous interest. If he was a small child, we would be mourning. But right now, we're celebrating his life. So he's not dead as far as we are concerned. It's just a transition. And the rest of us too will go there someday. That's why everybody on this earth, you must make your impact. You must help as many people as you can. You must put in your best in everything you do. Life is not just a bed of roses. You don't just come and hide yourself and you want to be celebrated. You must make the world know who you are. His wife is celebrating her husband's life. That's why you see we're going from place to